I had tried endless recipes for gluten-free and vegan pancakes, but was never really happy with the results, until I came across this one. This is the first recipe that all my children and my husband really enjoy eating. This batter produces pancakes that not only taste like regular ones, but that taste amazing, both salty and sweet. They don't break through or become too hard when baking, as has happened to me countless times before. Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Melly and in today's video I'm going to show you how I'm doing a gluten-free and vegan pancake dough. Be sure to watch this video until the end, because I'll give you a few more delicious and healthy ideas for filling. Look how great these pancakes are to roll and shape after baking. They are completely elastic like a normal pancake. Now all that's missing is the filling. If you liked my video, please consider to support me by subscribing or liking. Thank you so much.